Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another lesson on our CompTIA A course. In today's lesson, we're breaking down one of the most transformative shifts in modern technology, cloud computing. At its core, cloud computing is all about delivering computing services like storage, servers, software, and databases over the internet, on demand, and typically on a subscription basis. We'll start with the deployment models, which describe how the cloud is structured and who has access to it. First, there's the private cloud, where computing resources are used exclusively by a single organization. It could be physically hosted on-site or off-site, but the key is that it's not shared with anyone else. Private clouds offer more control, more security, and are often used in highly regulated industries like finance or healthcare. Next, we have the public cloud. This is what most people think of when they hear the word cloud. Services are provided by third-party vendors like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, and delivered over the internet. You share the infrastructure with other customers, but data and services remain isolated. Then there's the hybrid cloud, which combines both private and public clouds. This allows organizations to keep sensitive data on-prem in a private cloud while taking advantage of the scalability of the public cloud for less sensitive workloads. It offers flexibility and allows businesses to shift workloads as needed. Now, let's move into cloud service models, which describe what kind of service is being delivered through the cloud. First up is infrastructure as a service. This is the most basic model where the cloud provider delivers virtualized hardware resources like servers, storage, and networking. You manage everything on top, including the operating system and apps. It's perfect for IT pros who want flexibility without the cost and maintenance of physical hardware. Next, we have platform as a service. Here, the provider gives you a full development and deployment environment. You don't manage the hardware or OS, you just focus on building and deploying your apps. This is great for developers looking to streamline their workflow and collaborate in cloud-native environments. Finally, there's software as a service. This is the most familiar to end users. Applications like Gmail and Salesforce are all software as a service. You don't worry about anything behind the scenes, you just log in and use the software via a web interface. It's perfect for businesses that want ready-to-use applications without infrastructure overhead. In summary, cloud computing is about leveraging the power of the internet to deliver computing services more efficiently. Whether you're building in a private cloud for security, scaling up with a public cloud, or blending both in a hybrid cloud, there's a deployment model to match every business need. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.